Stop unfair competition on Amazon. Here's how to take action using Amazon Brand Registry. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you a pro tip on helping you remove those pesky competitors. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So I'm going to be showing you two different ways to remove competitors on Amazon. And way number one is if they're violating Amazon's policies. If you find a competitor and they're violating any of Amazon's policies, you can report them and get them removed. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. So this is way number one. And on Amazon, I already know Amazon's policies pretty well. And I know if I'm looking for a game and I see something that is extremely sexual and has sexual images, that's not allowed on Amazon. So we can actually even see this item, and they remove the word sex on purpose so Amazon's AI can't catch it, but their images say different. So it says hottest SX position, right? And you can see it is very vulgar. It's definitely not kid friendly. I wouldn't want children to see this. So shouldn't be on Amazon. They got to change it. We can actually get them kicked off pretty quickly. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we can go to Amazon Seller Central, or you can just go to Google and just type in like, what's Amazon's sexual image guidelines? What's their policy on this kind of stuff? And we look at their policies and we can kind of see like what's allowed and what's not allowed. Now, it literally says right here, products that show or sell sexual imagery, including but not limited to the exhibition of genitalia or the pubic area, oral, vaginal, intercourse, a lot of just stuff. Pretty much what it's saying is that this is not allowed, these images. And it literally says, like it's a naked woman, it's not good. So it's violating this policy. We found the product that's violating it, and now we found the policy from Amazon, so now we can get them removed. So pretty much Amazon's going to remove them and say pretty much remove all these images, and it's going to decrease their sales significantly. If this was a competitor, that would be a great thing in our book. So you're going to go to support and contact brand support to get these removed. You're going to report it as a policy violation, report a marketplace policy violation, and it looks like it's going to be, it might be a regulatory violation, right? Or other marketplace policy violation, US regulatory. I'm going to do marketplace policy violation, right? And I'm going to say what policy violation, explicit sexual imagery. I'm going to put that right there in parentheses. And again, you want to make it as idiot proof as possible for the Amazon person because they're lazy most of the time, right? So hi, I found that ASIN, you're going to put the ASIN, is violating Amazon's policy, and they're violating this one under, and boom, bada bing. Nice. Link to policy. So we're going to link it to that policy right there. Bada bing. Yada yada. And then we're going to say you can clearly see in the first image here. In first image that, I want to do a little space, a little break. Again, I want to make it as easy as possible for Amazon to understand. You can clearly see in the first image that it shows this is a direct violation of Amazon's policy. Please see image attached. Please see image. I like to say it twice. Sometimes they don't look. And then what you're going to do is pretty much get a snipping tool and you're going to take a screenshot that shows Amazon's policy. And it's highlighted right here, so it's super duper easy for them to see. You're going to save that. You're also going to show a picture of this right here that literally shows. You would take 2 pictures because this one's kind of blurry. So I'm going to like show this one, and then I'm going to like zoom in, and then I'm going to take another screenshot. All right, and you can also copy the URL and then put that in here. Right, they're going to put the ASIN, the seller name. The seller name is right here, Lazy Direct. Put that in there, and then put the URL. Put the URL of the page showing the Amazon policy, which we already have. Put those attachments in and send it. And then there's a very, very, very high chance we put so much information that they're going to approve it. If not, whoever reviewed it did not do a good job, and then we can try to escalate it or open up another case with somebody else that wants it removed from Amazon and has kids, right? Somebody who has kids that reviews this, they're going to accept it right away. Now you're going to go to the brand support case log and just trying to check on it and make sure it's approved and everything, and then you'll see that they do get removed, and we've done this plenty of times. Now, way number 2 is if they're violating your intellectual property. So this is one of our clients, and they said that they have a patent. They have a design patent, a utility patent, right? And then what we did is it's a hiccup straw. It stops hiccups. We typed in on Amazon hiccup straw, and look what we found. We found a competitor right here that also sells a hiccup straw. And we told our client, does it violate any of your patents? Yes, it violates their utility patent. So again, same thing. What we can do is we can come back here, but we're going to go to protect this time, report a violation. We're going to copy the ASIN, so that the ASIN we want to get removed, and it usually starts with B as in boy 99% of the time. Here it is, the ASIN. Put that in there. Now you're going to submit, you're going to remove their entire listing, and we're going to say it's for patent infringement. We're going to say it's utility patent. We're going to report the brand name. Do you have the patent number? Yes. And then you're going to fill out all of these details and then submit that to get them removed from Amazon. Once you submit for a violation of your intellectual property, you're just going to go to monitor and look at the submission history and see if it's accepted or denied. If it's accepted, most likely this listing is going to look something like this, where it shows dogs, which means they were completely removed from Amazon. If it's not accepted, then what you can do is check your email and also check the submission history. If it says why, maybe you typed in the wrong patent number, you didn't make it idiot proof enough, so Amazon doesn't understand what the heck you're trying to do. So make sure it is idiot proof and you go from there. Now, for my extra 3 tips to get all of these sellers removed is number 1, to do a test buy. So this may sound counterintuitive and extremely annoying, but this is just what Amazon wants to do. So what you need to do is actually add this to cart, purchase it, wait for it to be delivered. Once it's delivered, then you can report it on Amazon, because that way you can go to your orders, you can copy your order ID on whatever you ordered, and when you report it, tell Amazon, also, I actually did an actual test buy. I ordered the item. Here's the order. I verified it's violating Amazon's policies, or I verified that it is violating my patent. And Amazon is then going to accept your request 90% of the time. It's going to increase your chances by 90%. 90. That's a lot. So you should be doing a test buy. Number 2 is going to be making it idiot proof. I keep telling you that. That's why I took the screenshots, and that's why I even highlighted the section on the policy that this product was violating. You need to make it idiot proof. You really do. And then what we do for this client to make it idiot proof is we actually show an image of our product, the client's product, with their US patent, and then we show the counterfeit item. So we make it so easy where somebody can see, wow, it's super close to the patent. It must be patent violation approved, right? So we make it very, very easy to understand, and that's what you need to do. Last but not least is following up. So what you can do is say, hey, is there any update on this to Amazon? You can also go to support and then contact brand support. And if it's denied and you're like, whoa, I did a test buy, I have extra photos, I've got all of this, you can escalate a previously submitted issue that was denied, and you can actually attach images and get it looked at again, right? Sometimes you just need to be in front of the right person at the right time to get it accepted. This is manually accepted by Amazon, and sometimes they're a bit lazy. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. And if you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with reporting infringements, we have an infringement team. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description, and then we will get back to you, and you can even schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.